Hi, how are you doing? I just want to start by saying that I do not go into politics and that's not going to change today, but I am going to talk about a political video because in this case, there was a video coming from the President of the United States, Donald Trump, where some people speculated that it was AI generated and that was later rejected. I will say that there was AI generation involved in that video, and there's nothing weird about that. It's just not what you think it is. So I'm going to make a similar video and I'll explain what is going on. It's because in the ever-changing landscape of real and fake videos, where it can be hard to decipher what we see, I think we need to stay educated. So the AI tools we have right now has a lot of problems, like generating the correct amount of fingers. They are getting better, but often an AI does not know what is important to us humans, like the numbers of fingers. They are consistent on a hand, but the strands of hair on your head, whatsoever are left, not so much. And that is what is the root of this conspiracy theory in that video with Trump, where there was like some of his fingers was glitching in and out of existence and out of reality. I'm going to record a little video here where we can use that as an example, and I will use my green screen because I haven't been using that enough for a while. Let me just... Yeah. Maybe I should zoom in a little, and we definitely need some more lights here. So let's turn on green screen lights, right lights, left lights. I'll set this up and I'll get back to you. Okay, it doesn't have to be super consistent for this configuration. It's just a little test. So let's make a video here that I can edit so I can show you what's going on. So I hope that you will never ever like this video, leave a comment or share it with friends, because if you did that, it would make me very, very happy. So please do that, okay? Thank you. Great, let me just get rid of my green screen here, and I will show you a program here on my desktop. Some would call it an app. I still call them programs, sorry. It's a system where you can edit videos using the program or in a web browser. And let me just start by uploading the video we created, because it might need a few seconds to process that. So here we go, my failed call to action. So what Descript does is, as you can see here, you may be able to see it. What that does is it takes everything that is said in the video and does a transcription of it. And instead of you editing a video using a timeline or whatever and cutting it up, it is now doing change speaker name is Martin. It will now make a transcription, and then you can add or cut things based on the transcription. And now I said something wrong in this little recording. I said, I hope you will never ever like this video, as you can see over here. And hang on, maybe I need to move can you see myself here? I might need to move myself. I don't know, I'll move myself over here. I'm not important right now. Anyway, so instead of editing by cutting things out, it can edit out things you don't want. So for example, filler words. So I can use an AI tool here, and I can go in and say, remove filler words. And it found two. Find out filler. Very happy. I don't want to remove both of them. Let's just remove that one. Yeah, you can do that. Is it this one now? Yeah, perfect. So now it had edited the video. Now, what I think happened in that video with Trump, some of the younger people administering, perhaps they're not using Descript. There are other tools that can do this as well. But I said, I hope you will never, ever like this video. Hope that you will never, ever like this video. That's clearly wrong, right? So what we can do, we generate. I hope that you will find, I hope that you will find no time to like this video. And then I can say I would like to regenerate video as well. So the first time you do it, you have to give it consent to replicate yourself, and you have to speak a line into the system. So now they have the full permission to do whatever they want with my likeness, probably. So It will now generate a new video and some new words. And if this takes too long time, it doesn't seem to go very quickly. So it will try to generate a new bit of video instead, so I don't have to re-record it. And if you're a busy person and CEO of the world or whatever it is, maybe you don't have time to do that, right? I'll get back to you when this is done. It has completed rendering the video. Let's just take a look at it here and have a see. Let's see. So I hope that you find time to this video. So as you can see there, it looks a little weird because what I said was a different length. That you find time to this video. So it does look different. I don't think, does my fingers look weird? Maybe there should have been more in view, but you get my point. There's something odd going on here, right? There's a glitch. So I hope that you find time to this video. This time it actually just looks like it's mostly just edited in a certain way. And since I did use the green screen, let's see. I'm sitting there, I'm the big boss, and I'm sitting and looking out of this meeting room or whatever. And then let's put this in the, this is something the program, regular video editing programs can do this as well. And you would just actually just use your green screen for that. And I used my green screen, it wasn't very evenly lit, so I'm guessing that it would have been better, but you use the AI tools, any video editing software can do this. And now you see there's a little of a green hue around my head because the green screen was too close, but I have a space issue. It looks a little weird. It was not the point of the video. Other things you can do is you can just remove things, as I said, and just press cut, and you edit the video that way. So in the end, you have a full clip, the correct clip. And I think that was what happened in those videos. You just left the word out or something, and then it ended up being something weird because this is what video editing software can do today. So I hope that you find time to this video. I could just cut out everything here, so yeah. Anyway, I'll run this a few times in the end. You have a look at it, see you around. Cheers. So I hope that you find time to like this video, leave a comment or share it with friends, because if you did that, it would make me very, very happy. Okay, thank you. So I hope that you will never ever like this video, leave a comment or share it with friends, because if you did that, it would make me very, very happy. So please do that, okay? Thank you. So I hope that you find time to like this video, leave a comment or share it with friends, because if you did that, it would make me very, very happy. Okay? Thank you.